Do you want to boost your engagement and keep your viewers watching even after your live ends? Well, come here. Let me tell you about YouTube Live Redirect. Yes, it's like a raid on Twitch, but on YouTube. So come here. Let me show you how it's done. So here's the deal. Live Redirect lets you send your viewers from your live stream or your premiere directly to another live stream, premiere, or even a regular video, either on your channel or someone else's if they allow it. So before you can do this, you need to make sure your channel permissions are set. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to our settings in YouTube Studio. We're going to also go to the community moderation, and then we're going to scroll down to see that your all live redirects are able to come into your channel. So all channels can redirect to my content, and channels I subscribe to can redirect to my content. These are some things that you need to have enabled in order to have this work. Okay, so now let's show you actually how to do it, okay? So what we want to do is we want to go into YouTube Studio. We want to go to Create, and we want to go to the Go Live or Upload a Premiere. In this area, you want to go Edit. You want to go to Customization, and you want to scroll down to Redirect. You want to click this Add button. And right now I don't have any live or upcoming content from my subscriptions. But if I wanted to, I could search one of my friends. Let's go ahead and search for my friend Kinston Killer. And I could click this this video and redirect to him right now. This is actually a good example of when someone's privileges aren't there. So this person does not have their redirect privileges there, but they would have to add me to their live redirect list. So that's a great example of how to do it right there. Okay, so here are a couple best practices on how to make the most out of this, right? So one, I would say coordinate with others, like make sure that you, if you have any collabs or anything like that coming up, make sure you coordinate with them to kind of boost each other's streams. If you have a redirect path, you want to make sure you plan that if you have multiple videos. So like if you have a live to a premiere and then to a video, make sure you plan those out to make sure that they all redirect to each other. And then lastly, let your audience know that it's coming, like say, stick around, I'm sending you over to this person, kind of sort of how we do with raids on Twitch. So whether you're keeping your viewers, on your content or passing the mic to another creator, I really truly believe that live redirects are a power move for engagement and a power move for YouTube. I mean, they're trying to catch up to Twitch. So, we got to get them in there, but, use it wisely and keep your audience flowing. Okay. So if this helped you, smash that like button, sub for more tips. I'm thinking about doing more of these types of videos, but and also let me know in the comments. Do you plan on redirecting to somebody soon? Who do you plan on redirecting to? All right, thanks so much. Talk to y'all later.